When working with NILS data, you'll typically be given data in several large text files where variables are divided by a character, such as a comma or a tab. The first step in the analysis process is to prepare your data. The raw text data files must be read into your software of choice for data preparation and analysis. One important process in data preparation is labeling variables and values, and recoding variables into a convenient form for your work. However, in this explainer, we'll focus on linking your data and understanding the data structure. NILS projects can come in all shapes and sizes, involving 2 or more censuses, and possibly including data on events between censuses, or even data from other sources, such as the health and social care system. For this explainer, we'll keep it simple by looking at how to put together a typical dataset for a typical project involving de-identified information from 2 censuses, 2001 and 2011, and the health card register which acts as its spine. This project will look at how people have changed between 2001 and 2011 as seen by the census. The census data for each year will come as 2 separate tables, one for person information and one for household information. These tables will give you 4 files in total. In the person file, there'll be data on the individual variables you've requested for NILS members, such as age, sex, highest qualification, health conditions, and occupation. Each row in the file will be a person, and each column a variable. In the household file, there'll be the household variables you've requested, such as housing tenure, car ownership in the household, and housing quality. Each row in the file will be a household, and each column a variable. In the census person file, there is a census person ID, unique to that census, a household ID showing which unique household they're in, and a unique NILS ID. In the census household file, there is the same unique household ID. The first step is to link the person and household files together for each census, using the household ID as the matching key. Since there may be more than 1 NILS member per household, a one-to-many join is required. The same process is then followed for the 2011 data. At this stage, you'll have 2 complete sets of 2001 and 2011 census data with person and household information. The second step is to then link these 2 datasets together so you have 2001 and 2011 data for combined analysis. The variables have distinct names. All 2001 variable names end with a 0, all 2011 variable names with a 1. However, you'll not be able to link on the census person IDs. These are unique to each census and are thus not consistent through time. The variable for linking through time is the NILS ID, which is a unique number given to anybody who was ever in the NILS sample, and it's in the 2001 and 2011 person data tables. When you link the data through time, you'll find that there are people present in both 2001 and 2011, people who were present in 2001 but not in 2011, such as those who emigrated, died, or otherwise were not counted in 2011. And people present in 2011 but not counted in 2001, such as those who were born during the decade or had immigrated. You'll need to decide which population base you want to work with and why. The third and final step is to use the NILS ID to link the census data to the NILS health card spine. This is useful if you're interested in events between censuses such as address changes, births, deaths, immigration, and emigration. After this, you can now start to recode and label your data.